Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can train free kicks in FIFA Mobile. Training free kicks is very easy as most live events have the free kick training system. So you're going to go into the live event section and you're going to go scroll all the way to daily training. In daily training you can see that one of these is, I think is this one, yeah it is free kicks bricks. So you can do this training. If there is no training campaign with free kicks because they switch every 24 hours, you can go into the UCL section to start off. Go into main. And here you can see they have free kicks, dribble, another free kick. So the UCL have got a lot of free kicks. If they don't have that, go into the heroes section. Again, they have a passing, dribbling, free kick. So most of these live events will have a free kick train, so you can start training your free kicks effectively. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.